And Mr. Brinkman.
We are filming live right now from the MP3 gym.
Normally, in a regular school year, this is where all the students would be sitting for rallies and different school events.
We cannot wait to get back on campus for us to have rallies again. But today we're going to talk a little bit about big rocks. I have two big rocks that I have planned to work on this week. What about you, Mr. Brinkman?
I have a couple big rocks as well, mostly things surrounding self-care and making sure that I'm taking care of myself and my family during these times.
That's awesome. For this week, mine revolves around running. I'm going to run a half marathon in December. So my big rocks, one of them this week, is to create a training schedule that's doable all through quarter two. My other big rock is to connect with my best friend from middle school. Her and I met in 8th grade. We're going to go to dinner this week, and what I have done is I have called her and set up a time to go and visit her at an outdoor restaurant.
One of my big rocks is to make sure that my backyard at home is spectacular. And so I plan on pulling the weeds today, mowing lawn tomorrow, and just continuing with the weekly schedule I have over break to make sure that that looks really good. Another personal big rock of mine is to try to catch a really big fish. And so I mapped out my chart and I made a plan for Thursday morning when I'm going to go out and hook a big one.
I was thinking baby shark. Anyways, pirates, we would encourage you guys, whatever your big rocks are, to take that planner that all of you guys have and plot them out on your agenda so that you know what your big rocks are.
Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.
Bye!